Hey, machine learning builders, stop thinking about linear algebra as just dry matrix multiplication and dusty textbook equations. If you truly want to master modern artificial intelligence, you need to see it as the literal engine warping and shaping high-dimensional space. Think of it like a flexible rubber sheet. Every time a neural network processes data, it stretches, rotates, and folds this sheet. In this brand new 100-video journey, we are going to master this hidden language together. Why does artificial intelligence rely so heavily on these transformations? Because to a computer, everything is a vector. An image is not a picture, it is a grid of numbers. A word is not text, it is a point in a 1,000-dimensional space. By stretching our rubber sheet, we can draw a straight line that separates cat images from dog images. This series will take you from the absolute basics of vectors all the way to advanced concepts like singular value decomposition. 100 videos sounds massive, but we have designed this roadmap to build your intuition step by step. We start with the visual intuition of vector spaces, move through the mechanics of matrix operations, and dive deep into eigenvalues. Remember our rubber sheet analogy? Eigenvectors are the special directions that do not rotate when the sheet is stretched. We will show you exactly how these concepts power search engines, recommendation systems, and face recognition. Most university courses drown you in proofs and manual calculations. But as a machine learning practitioner, you do not need to compute determinants by hand. You need to understand what they do. We focus entirely on geometric visualization and practical code implementations in Python. We will connect every single algebraic concept directly to algorithms you use every day, like principal component analysis and gradient descent. This is the math class you wish you had in college, built specifically for the modern artificial intelligence era. The first episodes are dropping right now, and we do not want you to fall behind. Subscribe to the channel immediately. Turn on all notifications so you never miss a single lesson. Let us stop treating machine learning like a black box. We will finally master the beautiful mathematics that makes it work. Click that subscribe button and bookmark the playlist. Let us start stretching some space together. The journey of 100 videos begins today. I will see you in episode 1.